Welcome back. We're back to recording. I've just been practicing on demo lately. The past however weeks or months or whatever. And I've changed my strategy because the more I backtested my previous one, the more I didn't like it. And saw how technical. I just didn't like it. But yeah, we've changed it up a bit, and we are back to the 1 to 500 leveraged personal account. So yeah, this is a 1 to 500 leveraged account, personal account, and I've deposited. The starting balance was 32 USD, which beforehand was 50 AUD, but like fees and stuff. So yeah, 32 USD was the starting balance of this account, and now we're sitting at 62, and today we'll be talking about that. But first, I'm gonna go over my strategy. So yeah, at first I'll mark out high time frame POIs or preferably EILs. So like this, for example. On the higher time frame, and I like to see price why you been laggy? Alright, I like to see price trade into that, break structure, create a 5-minute or 15-minute IRL, and then close above that, and then entry will be the close above the swing high. That is type 2 of my strategy. Type 1, which is what I prefer, but this has been working pretty well for me lately. But I just like the idea of this one better. Is just the same thing. So hit the higher time frame. It could be an EIL or a higher time frame IRL, so like a value gap or something, or imbalance. And then I need price to break structure, create a 5-minute IRL or 15-minute one, and then I need it to trade into that, react well, and then my entry will be the breaker structure after that. Or my entry could be the inversion of that IRL, the inversion. So if there was a fair value gap here, a nice one, or IRL, same thing. My entry could also be the close above or below that. That's basically it. So not too technical, but let's go over the first trade we took on this account, which was a break-even trade. I was about to say unfortunately, but nah, it's good. It's alright. It's whatever. So yeah, we lost 11 cents, whatever. So I could see that price was really high in the price range. Not sure. Okay, it looks like we took out this high and hit the supply or whatever, but I could see on the higher time frame we made a double top, which is a good indication that price doesn't want to continue higher. So I also saw that after price hitting this area again, rejected hard, making a double top, but also created a 15-minute internal range liquidity. I've also marked out the high of that body there as a supply or something, but as you can see, we trade into that, also taking out these highlighted liquidity here. Looks much more cleaner on the 5-minute, like that. And we had a breaker structure, a double breaker structure, creating that 5-minute IRL, and then mitigated that. And then my entry was the close below this. It's hard to see, but if you were to go like this, see that's it's a little structure point. So yeah, on the lower time frame, it will be more clear. But yeah, I would consider that a like an elbow or something. You know what I mean? But yeah, my entry was there, entered, and I think we got stopped at here or here, either one. But it was a break even. But yeah, as you can see, the idea was correct. I'm happy with that. It's whatever. Second one we took was on gold, $25 win. So that was a good trade. I risked more than I should have because the smallest lot size you can do on gold is 0.01, and when you're trading a small size account, it takes a lot of it. Like, I think it's just a bigger size, you know what I mean? You can't risk like $1 because it's, I don't know, it's a high fucking, I don't know. But yeah, I'll explain this the best I can. So 1 hour IRL, okay. We didn't close below, so we had some reaction, but we swept this low. This was like also my previous strategy, you know, like RL here, react well, sweep that low, and then enter there. But yeah, we swept this, inverted this, created RL, created more RL, and then, but when we trade into this one, when we trade to this one, price reacted well, came back again. I think my entry was off like this inversion or something. But yeah, I entered there and we went on to hit take profit, which resulted us in almost doubling our account that day, which is pretty good. Obviously, if I would have held it longer, it would have been good, but I'm still really happy. Next is AUD USD. If we have a look, this was a loss, very small loss of $1.64. So initially I wanted like risk like 5, maybe 10% of my account per day, 3 trades per day. I'm aiming for 1 to 1 to 1 to 3 RR, and yeah. Let's see. Right, to be real, yeah, I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure why I even took this, but yeah. This was really early as well, 8 AM. I don't usually trade at that time, but looks like we closed above this, so we inverted this and entered on the close above on the swing high. Entry here, TP at the swing high, almost hit it, reverse, hit stop loss. Yeah, I'm not really sure. I reckon I counted this as mitigation for some reason, but yeah, 1 hour RL rejection, 5 minute close above. Yeah, I'm a bit confused. I can't lie. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna freaking fake stuff. But yeah, $1.64 loss. Next, looks like, oh no, I remember this. This was a, I don't know. Let's have a look. Okay. So this was type 2 also, I think. And then, yeah. So liquidity sweep, created we inverted this 5 minute internal range liquidity. We mitigated this 5 minute RL here after this external range liquidity was taken. And we entered after inverting this 5 minute, and yeah, price was ranging for a bit, got consolidating a little bit, got into some drawdown, almost went to take TP, but judging by this here, I'm pretty sure it was a break-even trade. So yeah, this is a break-even trade. Not too impressed, not too, I'm neutral about it, it's whatever. The idea was there, I guess. Alright, next was a Euro AUD trade. So this was not my like, this wasn't according to plan. Like, I didn't follow my plan here, but I was just staring at this chart, waiting for this setup to take place. ER here reacted really well. Small demand here. Mitigated that. 5 minute RL, and then I was going to, as I was looking at the this market, yeah, news came out, and I saw that price was like really high. It was like up here, obviously. So I was like, whoa, what the heck? So I checked news. Yeah, news came out for Euro, I think. And yeah, we took out these two highs. So I was like, you know what? Let me risk a little bit. I'll just enter here. And then I did. And then bang, take profit. This one was a manual exit. I think my initial TP was here. But this morning, because yeah, this trade was trading over the weekend. So this morning, it's Monday morning. It was Monday morning. I saw that we were rejecting a little bit, so I just manually exited there. But yeah, not a bad trade, but wasn't according to plan. So I guess it's luck. I guess whatever. But yeah, 3.4 RR making $5.15 USD. Yeah, which puts our account balance at 62. And yeah, I'm just hoping to continue doing well, I guess. I'll keep following my plan, keep up my risk management, and that's all you can do. The rest will just fall into place if I'm just consistent with it. But yeah, that's about it.